Alright, so we are going to do one more question on function and inverse function. So the diagram in the answer space shows graph y equal to hx. You're asking to find inverse function with a 0. So let's go to the graph. We are going to draw the inverse of h, and then we want to determine the domain of the inverse function. Okay, based on the concept that I just teach you, the concept is saying that if y equal to fx, or here is hx, and y equal to inverse of the x, of the hx, they must be symmetrical at the line y equal to x or x equal to y is okay, the same. So let's get the line draw out first, y equal to x. So normally when we want to draw the graph, we must read the point here. This is 0 s, so it should be s0, right? Okay, so by right we should find the midpoint between these two. Okay, so y equal to x, for sure one of the point will be origin, right? So you should be able to draw out later on. So we will figure out the function. Okay, so let's see. We want to draw the y equal to x. So actually y equal to x should be here. Let me draw out first. Okay, let's say this is y equal to x, so we don't have the point. So now we want to draw the function. The function means the graph that is so-called inverse of the h. So if we are going to plot another point is here, we should know that it will be intersect at the function there. So if this is 0t, then it will be t0, right? So it will come down to the point t0. Yeah, this is the graph whereby y is equal to inverse function of the x, and then you can see that it is symmetrical at the line y equal to x, right? This is y equal to x. Symmetrical means at this point and this point the distance must be the same. At this point and this point the distance should be almost the same, right? So if you draw the distance, this is a midpoint, should be the same. This is a point, this should be the same. So we have drawn out the green one is the answer. So let's answer the question. What the question asks, determine the domain. We have drawn the graph domain. Domain should be the range of the function. Let's highlight. Where is the range of the function? It should be here. I'm going to use this one, right? Alright, the range, the domain is the range of the function. The domain for the inverse function is equal to the range of hx function. So this is the range, right? So it will become the domain here, right? The domain, this is so-called domain. So it should be, the domain should be from, this is the domain, I'm going to highlight the domain here. This is the domain. It seems like from 0 to t. So we write x starting from 0 to t is the domain for the inverse function hx. That's all my sharing for today. Bye bye and have a nice day.